Ahoy, sailors!
If you're like us, you're always dreaming about your next Virgin Voyages cruise. But before you sail, we have your ultimate Virgin Voyages packing list to ensure you have everything you need.
As frequent Virgin Voyages sailors, as well as top 100 travel advisors in North America and top 10 travel advisors in North and Central Florida, we have all the inside tips that will help you prepare for your cruise.
So what should you pack for a Virgin Voyages cruise? Well, it depends on a few factors, like what time of year you're going, the city you're traveling from, and the destinations you're traveling to, what activities you're planning on doing, and your personal preferences. But here are some essential tips whether you're sailing on the Scarlet Lady, Valiant Lady, Resilient Lady, or Brilliant Lady.
Do you have all your required documents? Ensure you have a valid passport that is valid for at least 6 months after your voyage is scheduled to end. And keep your paperwork together, and do not forget to pack any you carry-on along with your medication and other important items. Now let's get packing. Try to pack light. This is a hard one for us because we like to be ready for anything. But remember, Virgin Voyages is designed to be all-inclusive and there's no dress code, so you don't have to bring a lot of stuff with you.
Be sure to pack for all types of weather. The weather can change quickly on a cruise regardless of destination, especially when you're out at sea. So it's a good idea to pack for both warm days and cool nights. This means not only packing shorts and t-shirts, but also packing a light jacket or sweater, even during the summer. It can also come in handy on board if you've got a little bit too much sun and the air conditioning inside the ship is giving you a chill.
So let's start with essentials. There are 2 parties held on every Virgin Voyages sailing, and a 3rd party on longer sailings. On the first night of every sailing, they have a PJ party. You will want to bring something to wear for this fun meet and greet event, because the name of the game of every Virgin Voyages is comfort. The suggested dress code is simple: wear pajamas. You will see all kinds of outfits, whether you bring your actual cozy PJs, coordinate matching sets, wacky PJs, onesies, or just wear regular clothes. All styles are welcome. It is a fun experience you will not want to miss. Surprises will occur throughout the night as you party with the divas, rock stars, and your best friends and new friends. There's plenty of cozy places to lounge, so grab a spot to cool off between dance numbers and the entertainment. Stick around for some fresh baked cookies too. This event is normally held in the Atlantic Club on Deck 16 Ave. But in an event of inclement weather, it will be moved in the ship's Miami-inspired nightclub, The Manor.
Next up, the ultimate and most iconic event on every Virgin Voyages sailing,
Scarlet Knight.
Scarlet Knight is an immersive experience about the fabled love between the mysterious goddess of the sea and the sailor who won her heart. Be sure to pack something red. While it's not required that you wear red, you'll definitely have more fun if you do. Since there's no dress code on board Virgin, you can wear anything from a red t-shirt to a full-length dress. You do you. And if you don't have anything red, check out some options on Amazon. You'll see all sorts of outfits during Scarlet Night. Throughout the night, the entire ship is transformed into an amazing array of delights and epic experiences. There will be pop-up circus performances, interactive games, karaoke, myth-telling, and live music. The evening culminates in a drenched-in-red pool and dance party unlike any you've ever seen. In the event of inclement weather, this party is normally relocated to the Red Room on board.
On longer sailings, you will experience the newest party, We Fancy. This party is your inspiration of getting dressed up. It's a party created to celebrate all the best feelings, confidence, freedom that bounce in your step back after receiving a compliment from a stranger. Come as fanciest version of you, enjoy the night of a collective exuberance. For this party, think black and gold.
While pajamas, something red, and something black and gold are totally optional, the Getaway Guys always recommend travel insurance. Although you could expect things to go smoothly when you're on a cruise, you never know when you might have an unexpected flight delay on the way, lost luggage in the airport, or an emergency while you're exploring in a port city. The Getaway Guys are happy to price travel insurance through Virgin Voyages for you, or you can check out some recommended insurance by clicking the link found below on this video.
Let's talk digital necessities. Virgin Voyages has a free Wi-Fi on board every ship. However, if you want to stream or download music, it is highly recommended to upgrade to the premium Wi-Fi for a nominal fee. I highly recommend to download music, shows, and book ahead of your cruise, although there is an extensive collection of recently released and classic movies available in your stateroom. Before leaving for your cruise, also decide if you will be requiring cell phone coverage in ports you will be visiting, where many cell phone providers offer international coverage in their standard plans like T-Mobile, or for a small daily fee like Verizon. You can also look at purchasing an eSIM for using during your trip, or decide to explore without cell phone coverage. Whichever option you choose, I recommend downloading the local map on the Google Maps app and downloading the local language on the Google Translate app if you don't speak the language. If you download these two things correctly, you will be able to access the local maps and the Google Translate without data or Wi-Fi.
Next up, you'll want to pack a water bottle. Virgin Voyages has a commitment to sustainability. Unnecessary single-use plastics, including straws, water bottles, shopping bags, food packaging, stirrers, and plastic takeaway cups are banned from the sailor experience on board all Virgin Voyages sailings. There are water filling stations available throughout the ship, as well as unlimited water available in your cabin, both still and sparkling. The water bottle will also come in handy on port days. You may want to bring a reusable straw with you if you aren't fans of those sustainable straws, which tend to get soggy, especially if you don't drink your beverage quickly.
Headphones are a must, especially when you're lounging or exercising on board. Certain areas of the ship can get loud, and if you want to block out the noise, you can pop in some noise-cancellating earbuds and play some of your download songs. Also, if you want to take advantage of the ship's stunning upper deck track or gym, you want to listen to your own music.
You'll likely want to have time to relax on board when you're not partaking in one of the countless activities on your next Virgin Voyages sailing. Whether you're relaxing in the dockhouse, one of the sitting areas on board, or immersed in your personal hammock, enjoying quiet time on your balcony, a cruise is a great time to start and finish a new book. I recently invested in a Kindle and it's been a game changer for me. No more carrying around heavy books or squinting to see in dim light. Plus you can switch books quickly and easily without adding extra weight to your suitcase. Make sure you download the books in advance, especially if you don't plan to upgrade your Wi-Fi on board.
You may need a bag to carry your belongings around the ship, and of course on port day. I prefer a simple tote bag to carry my phone, headphones, and a water bottle with me around the ship, but a small backpack works as well.
The amount of clothing you pack depends on your route, length of sailing, time of year, and your own personal preference. For this video, we're going to consider you're traveling on a 7-night sailing in a warmer climate. Here's a very basic list of items that you should consider bringing for men.
For women, it's very similar to men.
Now let's talk toiletries. All cabins on Virgin Voyages have soap, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. If you have a particular shampoo, conditioner, or body wash you prefer, you may want to bring it along, but they do have a very nice product on board that is provided. If you'd like to bring your own shampoo and conditioner, I always recommend bringing a solid shampoo and conditioner bar because they're easier to pack. You don't have to worry about TSA liquid rules if you're planning to just take carry-on bags. Like shampoo and conditioner, you can also purchase a solid face wash bar, which will also cut down on extra liquid and space in your bags. We'll provide some links below for some suggested solid bars.
Don't forget your dental essentials. Pack a toothbrush, toothpaste, and floss. We've recently invested in a Sonicare travel toothbrushes, which take up a little bit space, hold up a charge for several weeks, and charge via USB-C. We will provide a link below.
Be sure to pack deodorant or antiperspirant. Everyone has a personal preference here, but remember, you're going to be outdoors and in the heat, and you want to ensure you're keeping yourself smelling fresh.
Sunglasses are required items on every cruise. You may want to bring 2 pairs just in case you lose one. Plus, it is fun to have options. Also, don't forget the sunscreen. Think a solid bar for your face and some liquid or spray sunscreen of your preference, as buying these items on board can be very expensive.
While you can't bring your own personal food or beverages on board, you are permitted to bring 2 standard bottles of wine or champagne with you. Be sure to have these bottles in your carry-on bags. It's nice to have wine to save a little bit of money on drinks during your sailing, and you can always grab some quick ease items from the entrance of the galley, including our personal favorite, the charcuterie board, which you can stash in your cabin refrigerator for a quick nibble in your cabin.
You may want to bring a bottle of wrinkle releaser. While the Scarlet Lady and Valiant Lady both have steamers that you can request from the cabin attendant, currently the Receiving Lady does not yet have steamers. And ladies, remember, currently irons are not allowed on board, although strainers are allowed.
We hope this video helped you get ready for your next Virgin Voyages sailing. Comment down below if there's something you always pack with you on your sailing that we missed. Thinking of booking your next Virgin Voyages sailing? As top 100 travel advisors with Virgin Voyages in North America, and top 10 travel advisors in Central and Northern Florida, the Getaway Guys can get you the best offer available anywhere on a Virgin voyage. You'll receive $300 off the cost of your cabin and $700 in total sailor loot for a Sea Terrace category cabin or higher on any future Virgin Voyages itinerary. This is on top of all current promotions and bar tabs that may be available. Contact us today at info@thegetawayguys.com and we can get you the best deal available on Virgin Voyages.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, activate the notifications on Exploring with Edgar for all things cruising, theme parks, and more.
Thanks for joining us!